everyone, I'm Wendy.
Hi, I'm Kim, and we're here to discuss December and January beekeepers buzz for the Northeast region. I just wanted to say very quickly that we appreciate you. We see the likes and comments we received on our previous videos. I know Wendy has a video out, and we just wanted to say we appreciate you. So thank you so much for commenting, for liking. Please continue doing that, and let us know in this video as well. If you could give us a comment, we'd really appreciate it.
Yes, certainly. So right now is the time that you really don't want to go into your hives or disturb them. The only time that you're supposed to go in there for is to make sure that they have feed applied to the hive. So whether it be candy board, fondant, patties, you just want to make sure you're just tipping the lid, putting feed if needed, and then out of that hive. You don't want to be messing inside that hive at all at this point.
I did want to just let you know, though, if you haven't, it might be a good opportunity to put a pellet strap on your hive. We do have the Beehive pellet strap with hook. We also have the pellet strap with metal D-ring. Both are good options if you want to strap your hive down for winter. Depending on the elements, you know, we could get a lot of wind, a lot of snow, rain, even a predator. So it's always a good idea to strap your hives during this time.
Absolutely. So right now we are taking pre-orders for package bees, so make sure you get your order in today. And also upcoming, we have the North American Honeybee Expo in Kentucky. That's going to be January 2nd to the 4th. So make sure you stop on by and say hello to all of us.
And December is a great time for DIY projects or gift giving. Whether you have a lot of your own wax that you've rendered from your hives or you want to purchase some wax, we do sell that as well. It's a great time to try to use all that, so that's why we're doing this video. I did want to let you know that we have a couple of kits that are great to purchase if you don't have any wax of your own. We have a lip balm kit. We also have a soap kit. Both of the kits come with everything you need supply-wise. It also comes with the instructions, and there's some great recipes in here as well. So it's a great thing to have to, if you want to get anything for gift giving. And I know we do sell the supplies individually too. If you don't need everything, you don't have to necessarily get the kit, but we do sell things sold separately as well.
Yeah, definitely. So being on the phone, some questions that I do get that I do want to touch upon today is how to clean them. So pretty much you can use, I know you use this method, is warm luke water with some soap. You can also use alcohol, you can use vinegar, or you can use baking soda. Now when you are doing that, you just want to dab a tablecloth or whatever you may be using inside the center of the mold just to get that residue out. You don't want to put too much on here because you will destroy your candle mold. I did do this candle mold last night. It's just the tea lights. So basically you're just going to remove it just like that, simple. So that's a great mold for tea lights.
And we do sell colored wax as well. So if you were wanting to color some of your wax, I just wanted to let you know that when you add this to your beeswax, change the color, it may end up transferring some color onto your mold. And even after you clean your mold, you may be left with some of the color, and that's going to be okay. It shouldn't transfer to your next candle. So yeah, we did want to touch upon some candle making. Both Wendy and I make candles. We really enjoy it. We purchased a bunch of molds from here and a lot of the supplies as well. So I just wanted to let you know real quick. We have made this mold. This is the Honey Bandit, really cute little bear. Doesn't use a whole lot of wax, which is always nice. Just wanted to quickly touch upon this. So before you would wick and you get started, you're going to want to spray the inside of your mold with the mold release spray. You want to spray in there really well to coat the inside. And then you're going to put, now for this one, you're going to be using our 2/0 wicking. And you're going to want to put it into the wicking needle. And you just push up like this till you get it through.
And Kim, while you're doing that, I do want to mention that all of our wicking that go with the specific candle molds are located in the catalog. So you'll see what wicking size you need for that specific candle mold. We do have them online as well, or you're welcome to give us a call. So that's a good tool to use too to see what wicking would fit the candle mold that you purchased from us.
Yes. And to go along with that, we do have when she said that on the website we do let you know which wicking size to use for the candles if you don't purchase the mold through us but you would like to use the wicking. Just for a quick reference, if you have anything diameter of 1 inch, you'd want to use the 4/0 wicking for this particular one, and also anything with a 1 to 3 inch diameter, you'd want to use the 2/0 wicking, and then anything above 3 inches in diameter, you would use the 60 ply wicking. So I've wicked this, and you want to use the rubber bands that are included with your candle mold. And Wendy and I both have found it really useful tool for bobby pins, to actually put a bobby pin in here to hold your wick tight.
Seems to hold it a little bit better than the popsicle sticks.
You could also use popsicle sticks if you prefer, but we do like the bobby pin. So once you got it tight, I didn't mention before, but for this melting pot, you'd want to add whatever wax you have. Here's my rendered wax that I have, so you just add it to this pot. And then what you want to do is you want to have a pot of some warm, I would say about medium to low medium heat. You'll have your pot of water, and you'd put this in the pot of water, and you'd melt that wax down. Once it's melted and your mold is ready to go, you would simply pour that melted wax, and I want to say it's about 160 degrees or so. You wait, you check that with a thermometer, and then you'd pour the wax in here, and then you just let it harden.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to pour it too hot.
Right. So once it's hardened, you would simply take the bobby pin off. You would take your rubber bands off. And this particular mold does have a slit. So most of them do have a slit. If you go to open it and you're starting to make more of a slit, that's okay. It's just going to be easier for you to remove that particular candle. So that's that one. I'll just let you know very quickly though, for this one, this is one of my favorites. This is the PM999, and I love taper molds. They're very easy, especially this one where you can do a lot at once. I wick them, well, you definitely need mold release spray for this one as there are no slits. So I go ahead and put my mold release spray. I like to wick all of them. Sometimes I'll even use extras, so when I pull the candle up, I just already have the next wick ready to go. And then same thing, you would just kind of wiggle that here and pull that.
And you do want to make sure that it is completely hardened, because if you do it too soon before it sets, that wick is going to come right out of that candle. So we do have a good mold, the PM751. So this one will go and make one, I believe, was it 1 ounce? 1 ounce foundation blocks that you can use for smaller projects, such as the lip making lip balm kit, and then anything else small related, like our tea lights over here. So these you could go and simply melt them right in here. You can't put it in here, but this is more so for bigger blocks of wax. And if you want to tell them what we have.
Sure, we do have the 1 pound blocks. We also have 2 pound blocks of wax available, which, like Wendy said, would be great to put in the wax melter there, because you simply put it in, set it to the temperature you like, and just let it go. And then you can actually put your container up to it, pour the wax into that.
Yeah. And we do have some great books available that you could purchase with us. We do have a couple right here, so that's a good tool to read on and just see what all the steps of making candles.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we have a great time. We really enjoy making candles. I know we're doing this very quickly for you today, but if you do want to see any more in-depth candle making, please comment below and let us know. Let us know if we missed anything, or if you have any other questions on how to make candles, or anything you'd like to know. But if you would like to see a more in-depth detail, we would love to do that for you. We could let you know the whole process and show you how to do it from start to finish.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so just let us know below.
We would love to.
Yeah. All right, so if there's not anything else?
No, all I have to say is if you would please be sure to like and comment on this video and share. We would greatly appreciate it.
And then we'll be back in February for more beekeeping in Northeast. So please, again, like and subscribe. Let us know how we did. We really enjoy doing these videos for you, and we can't wait to see you in February. All right. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.